Okay, so let's say that you're done painting already, so you want to export. So from here, you can go up to the croissant, however you say it. And then this is where you start to bake your textures. So here you can choose which maps you want. So for our ICA, we need normal, ambient, yeah, I just don't touch these actually, just leave it like that. And then press bake. So now it starts to do all the baking and stuff. So yeah, now that it's done, if you want to export it, you go up to File, then Export Textures. Yeah, so the settings I used are, can't really remember, but I think it's, yeah, this one. I wanted specific ones. Okay, whatever. You can actually look at which templates offer what kind of stuff. So I think last time I used Arnold AI standard. Then I changed this one to Targa. It has to be Targa, very important. Bits can say the same. Make this 2048 if it's not already. Okay. Then after that, you can see what's gonna be exported if you press list of exports. So by picking this version, I'll get base color, emissive height, metalness, normal, and roughness. So what's missing is ambient occlusion. So we need ambient occlusion. How to do that? Last time I just went down here to mesh maps. Yeah, mesh maps. If you find a better way, please tell me. So mesh maps, and then you can go here, list of exports, and then you'll see that ambient occlusion is one of them. So, then after that, you can start exporting. But then the problem is that you'll get all the other ones if you don't need them or not. I believe that you could go down here, or here, or here. Oh wait, okay, now I remember, I'm sorry. So you can go here and then pick which ones you want. So this is the ambient occlusion one, I think. So if you don't need the rest, then you can just tick it off if you just need the ambient occlusion. But if you need like what I showed just now, the Arnold AI standard, which had like the other stuff you need for your textures, then you can go ahead and export it like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for exporting. So I'm just gonna try this right now. I'll just go up here again to global settings, mesh maps. Let's just try Arnold AI standard for now. See what's gonna be exported. Color, metalness, roughness, normal. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, and then you just press export down here, and then boom. Okay, wait, a thing I forgot is that you have to pick the output, where the output goes to. So where does it go? Ah, here. Output directory, here, to this file. It goes to Adobe Substance 3D Painter by default. So you have to change it here. Okay, so I set the output to go to source images for my assignment file. So I'm just gonna select folder. Then after that, I'm gonna run the program again. Export. There may be a case where there's an error in exporting, but you can find a way. If it says like there's nothing to export because like it doesn't exist, then you can go back to your croissant again and rebake it. And remember when I showed you just now, there's like some things you can tick on the side that show you what maps are you gonna export. Just make sure like the one you're trying to export is ticked on. So let's say that okay, maybe if I like show you, it'll be clearer. So if I go back to, yeah, I'm already at the croissant place. So let's say that I ticked off normal and then I tried to export normal, then it would say that, oh, I can't make the normal map because you didn't bake it. So the solution for that would be you just turn normal back on and then you rebake it. So now I'll move on to the part where you put the textures in Maya. Okay, so now you so with your prop selected, you right click there, yeah, then you can go to assign new material and find Stingray. Has to be Stingray. If you can't find Stingray, that means that your plugin is off. So just close this for a second. Go up to Windows, then setting preferences, plugin, and then you search up Stingray. No, it's not Stingray, it's Shader. Shader FX. So it's already loaded in actually. Just to make sure if, okay, it doesn't exist. It's Shader FX. So you actually have to go to Hypershade. My bad, I'm kind of just like all over the place. Rendering, Hypershade. So this is like the Stingray's texture I already have for Sojuno. So if I want to make a new one, then you go to props, right click, assign new material, new material. Then it has to be under surface. Yeah, there it is. Stingray PBS. A bit blind, okay. Anyway, then you'll get this thing at the side. So from here, you can, for a better clear view, you can go back to your Hypershade again. So let me open that up. So now you have a second Stingray PBS, which looks like this. Where the settings, you can go up to Window, Property Editor. Yeah, it's over here. Then you have all this standard stuff. If your one looks normal and like the property is over here, that's good. Good for you, I guess. So yeah, like how Mr. Nicholas said, he had if your thing has some alpha or transparency to it, then you have to use the standard transparency, but I don't think my one has any. So here you pick the ones you need. So we have a color map, a normal map, metallic something, and then also an AO map, but I didn't export it, so we'll just stick with these four for now. Then here is where you plug your stuff inside. So color map, go here, you'll make a new file, file 4, then just go here and then find what you need. So this is the base color for my props. Yeah, Targa, open. And then here you can see it's a mess, but if I go back here, you can see that my textures have been imported like this. So I want to add more. Go back to the property window, property editor, yeah. And then if you want to go outside, you go out of it. I think it's this one. No, it's not. I'm lying. Okay, let me get back to that. Okay, so you can just go back to your main Maya view, this thing, and then go here to see the outside of it. So since I'm at file 4, which was the base color texture, I'll press this button so I can go back to this one, or you could literally click on it, then go down here again and then repeat the process. So I want to do a normal map. I'll press this thing here, makes a new file, file 5, press the file here and then locate your normal. Yeah, my normal's over here. Then open it. Then you should see it's slightly more different. So yeah, it's the same idea. The more you add, more you plug in the stuff you need, the ones you ticked on here, then your texture will start coming to life here. So let me show you my character real quick. Okay, so this is my Sojuno like I showed just now, and then this is what the character looks like. So as you can see, like you can see these bumps and roughness, but they're not actually there, it's just from the normal. So these are what my settings look like. I turned on all these because I needed them, and also the AO map. Then from there I went down here, then each one is a file. I just renamed it to what I needed, and also the AO map as well. So that's, I guess, all you need to know. Yeah,